So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about an SME IPO, which is Evoke Remedies. So since many people have requested to make a separate video on it, so today we'll try to discuss the complete business model of Evoke Remedies, and we'll also discuss about the current gray market premium and can we apply for this or not. I'll be telling my personal view as well. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so firstly, talking about Evoke Remedies. So this particular company is mostly engaged in the business of trading houses of pharmaceuticals, especially talking about the raw materials. So it has a very good client base. So globally also many people might be knowing about Davita Healthcare. So it is a US based stock which roughly trades around $100, whose market cap is somewhere around 17 lakh crores. So to that particular company as well, actively this particular company provides the raw materials. And next, moving a little bit further, you can also see it has been a debt-free company since the past 3 years. And also the profit of the company was increasing year on year basis as well. So clearly, after going to the financial section, clearly I'll mention all the financial statements, and the operations of the company roughly was started almost 3 years ago. Okay, so before we get a little bit further about the company, so let us try to understand about the current situation of the SME pharmaceuticals. So why these companies have that advantage in the future. So first thing is that the FIIs. So FIIs also are actively investing in the Indian SME pharmaceuticals. So because of the 4 most important reasons as I've mentioned here. So first one is obviously related to the cheapest production. Second one is related to the highest export. Third one is related to the world-class research infrastructure, and fourth one is high domestic consumption of the products due to high population. So especially when I'm considering India, so we know the population and the needs, right? So raw material, especially to the pharmaceutical companies, is very, very important. And second most important thing is related to the government policy support, that is PLI scheme. So we know that on regular basis, every sector gets that PLI scheme benefit. So similarly in 2021, so SME pharmaceuticals also got that benefit of 2 lakh crores. So obviously the companies which are under that category like Evoke Remedies will also get that benefit. So third and fourth is obviously well known to us, that is economic growth followed by cost efficiency, where that is also expected to increase and is increasing basically since the past few months as well. So this is the current situation of the SME pharmaceutical company. So that is great thing, right? So when pharmas, you need to remember one thing. So 2 sectors are evergreen. So one is pharma sector and another one is infra sector. So both are having equal potential. So now let us try to discuss about the financials. Okay, so talking about the financials, so first we'll try to discuss about the previous year on year basis how the company has performed. So assets wise, we can see this March 2022, it is somewhere around 26.60 crores, and previously it was 81 lakhs. Revenue is somewhere around 10.56 crores, and March 2021 it was 1 crore. So PAT was around 93.67 lakhs, and in March 2021 it was somewhere around 71.38 lakhs. So clearly you can see year on year basis how a good improvement is there in the company. So next, let us try to discuss about the complete balance sheet. So here if you see the borrowings wise, many people would have a little bit doubt since the borrowings are increasing. Is it risky? So actually, if I talk about this company's prospect, so we know that, as I told, the company is mainly engaged into the storage of the raw materials and equally supplying it them to people or globally as well. So since it is storing that particular or whatever unsold raw materials are there, because they are considered as a liability, so that is the reason the borrowings are present. So if it is not there, then obviously the company is a debt free company. So hope you're understanding that. So obviously we know that, so whenever raw material, anything storage is there, when it is kept as it is in the warehouses, so it slightly becomes a liability. So but when the client requirement comes, obviously they get sold out, so that again will be converted into profit itself. So nothing much to worry about it. So talking about the current GMP of this particular stock, so somewhere we can expect 55 to 60% gains on it. And let us try to discuss what is the lot size and what is the price. Okay, so if you observe the details of the issue, so you can see the opening is around 17th March. So tomorrow the issue is going to be open. So closing would be somewhere around 22nd March. Issue price they have put around rupees 27 per equity share. So talking about lot size, so we know SMEs take a little bit of higher amount. So lot size obviously where one lot would almost equal 400 shares. So if I talk about the price cutoff, it would be somewhere around 1,08,000 rupees. So that much amount should be there with you in order to apply for this IPO. So issue size is somewhere, obviously I told you, around 9.72 crores, and retail shares offered percentage is somewhere around 50%. So current GMP is looking little decent. So if you have that money, then you can go for applying it. So we discussed all the basic details of this company, followed by few important things on the balance sheet and financials. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Dairy YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.